Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are gonna go on a road trip today. We are gonna head up all the way, okay, it's not all the way up north, but up past the cities, and we're gonna head to Duluth, Minnesota. I know that area pretty well because I actually went to college there for 4 years, got my degree in graphic design, but my friends, obviously, that I made in college are still up there, and I'm gonna go visit them and hang out and, you know, live the life. So I thought I would take you guys with me. I am so lucky that my mom is letting me take her car because my parents don't trust that my truck would make it up there. No comment. So I'm gonna go fill up my mom's car with gas and then start the trip. You guys can see like my gray hairs, like, wow, I'm 28 years old and I got some grays popping. Dude, I earned those. I earned those gray hairs. Every single one. Anyways, let's go. Okay, gas is full and we're ready to get going. Let's head up to Duluth. Okay, just stopped for gas. I stopped at this gas station called Victory. I always stop at this place when I go up to my cabin, which is the same route that I'm taking with Bucko. And it's so weird to be here without Bucko. Like, it's really sad, actually, but oh well. We'll get through it. This is my first road trip without him. So yeah, it's different. But let's keep going. I think I have like about an hour left to get to Duluth. These are my road trip snacks: honey roasted cashews and a bubbler. Okay, I made it to my friend's house in Duluth. The big part of this video will be on my way home. I'm gonna try to hit some stores and places to show you guys all the way back home. 3-hour drive home. So yeah. Okay, it's the next day and I look a little rough, sorry. We are gonna go thrifting today, so I have a few places that I might hit on the way back home, going down 35. Wow, I look rough. So we're gonna do that. I'm currently at a quick trip, scarfing down some food because I'm starving. And then the first one I think is just probably like an hour. No, not an hour, probably like half an hour away. So let's go and see if they're open, because sometimes these small thrift stores aren't always open, but I'm hoping this one is. Okay, so I'm here in a place called Barnum on the way down 35, and we're at a thrift store called the Classy Moose on 61. It's a cute little cabin looking building, and I just Googled it and found this thrift store. That's the only way I kind of heard of it. So I'm going to show you guys what it's like inside and see if we find anything. Okay, so that thrift store was so cool. It has a little bit of everything, and everything is like reasonably priced. It's not like super expensive or anything. So if you're on your way to Duluth or you're on 35, you should definitely hit up the classy Moose on 61. So we're on our way to another place. It's about half an hour away. So let's get going. Okay, that one was so cool. As you can see, I'm still in the parking lot. I would highly recommend to anyone who's driving up and down 35 to stop at this one. And it's like, I think, a really old restaurant. I'll have to look into the history of this building because it's kind of set up really different. But there's so much stuff in this one, and it's a lot of fun, a lot of cool things. So this one's like a highly, highly, highly recommended stop on your way. I just finished at the Antique Mall in Cannon Falls. Whoa, I'm exhausted. That was a lot of looking around and shopping today. The Antique Mall in Cannon Falls has a lot of stuff. They're a little more spendy depending on which section you're in. There was one humongous, really cool table that was so cheap that I was like, whoa, I don't understand why it's so cheap. But then there's like a bunch of other things that you're kind of like, whoa, they're pretty expensive. It's not to buy and resell, it's more to buy for your own collections. But really cool, and it might be a little bit overwhelming for someone who gets like claustrophobic or overstimulated by having a lot of things in one area. But other than that, it's like so much fun. I probably could just spend the entire day there, but I had to kind of hurry and get through everything. I did buy two things. I'll show you guys everything that I've bought today when I get back home. And so that's where I'm going next, just going home. We are done for today. So once I get home, I'll show you everything. Okay, I'm home. Finally home. Made it all the way home. I'm exhausted and I feel gross. I need a shower. But anyways, I'm so happy I got to go to all those thrift stores today. Thrift stores. Gosh. But yesterday I traveled in the car for 3 hours, and then today more than 3 hours, obviously, because I stopped on the way back. But yeah, I'm excited to show you guys what I got. I will go get everything, unwrap it, because they wrapped everything really nicely so it wouldn't, break or anything. So I have to unwrap all of that, and then I'll show you everything I got. It's super cool. I'm super excited, and you're definitely going to see a theme to the things that I bought. Also, just want to make note, I'm sorry for not getting a lot of film, or a lot of good quality film. It is so hard to do this alone. YouTubing alone is exhausting. And also traveling alone, and then also driving just in general exhausts me, because I'm not like a bad driver, but I just get like overly anxious about planning ahead and making sure I know exactly when to stop and when to turn and blah blah blah. Like I overthink everything, which is not good, but that's probably also why I'm so exhausted. But I need to find a thrifting buddy. Like if you want to apply to be my thrifting buddy, do it. I'll pay for all the gas. I'll pay for all the food that we stop and get. You just have to help me thrift and help me film and help me carry all the things I buy. So if you want to be that person for me, comment down below or message me or something. I don't know. Anyways, let's go see everything that I got. Okay, that's everything I got from today's thrifting. There's so many more places I could have gone, but I just was kind of getting exhausted doing it alone. And I know that I don't like driving in the dark, so I made sure I got home pretty early. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all your support. Like and subscribe, of course, and I will see you guys in the next video.